waiting in my to tutorial number 7 for my Java development series. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do operations in First Netherlands IDE. And basically what operations are, these are simple mathematical operations, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for integers. So I'm going to click File New Project, Java Application. Next, I'll call this project operations, and I'm going to save it onto my desktop and press finish. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare 4 integer variables. I'm going to call it x, y, a, and b. I'll declare x to equal 0, y to equal 1, a to equal 2, and b to equal 3. What I'll do next is I'll show you the addition operation. I'll say x equals x plus 1. And that is basically saying the value of x is the value of x previously plus 1, which is 0 plus 1. Therefore, the new value of x is 1. Of course, this can be rewritten in 2 other ways. You can write x plus plus, which means take the value of x currently and add 1, or x plus equals 1, which is saying take the value of x currently and add 1, which is the same thing as x plus plus. However, if I change this to 2, what it's saying now is that it's saying take the previous value of x and now add 2 to it to make the new value of x. So I will say x plus plus. Next, I will show you the subtraction module. So you say y equals y minus 1. Basically what I said is the previous value of y, which is 1, subtract 1 equals 0. Therefore, the new value of y is 0. This, of course, can be rewritten in the same ways as x was rewritten, but instead of addition symbols, use subtraction symbols. Next, for a, I will show you multiplication. A equals a times 2. The previous value of a was 2, and the new value of a equals the previous value of a multiplied by 2. This is the multiplication symbol. So the new value of a would equal 2 times 2, which is 4. However, there is no easier method like this for a equals a times 2. Therefore, that's how you write a equals a times 2, or 3, a times 3, a times 4, whichever you desire. Next, I'll show you the division operation. b equals 3 divided by 3, which is basically saying 1. Or I can replace this 3 by saying b, so I have my constants the same. By replacing it by b, the previous value of b was 3. Dividing it by 3 is now going to equal the value of b. The new value of b is now going to equal to 1. Note that if I were to write a number like 2, the new value of b would equal 1.5. However, that's an integer, and whenever you store the value of an integer, store the value of a float or a double into an integer type variable, then what the program will do is it will round. So let's output our results. X is space plus x plus y y a is, and finally b is. And oh my bad, I forgot the parentheses. Note that parentheses are important when you print it out, so it knows exactly what to print out. And I might as well print out. I'm wrong too. So many mistakes in programming. Making a single error can cost you the entire program. So, as you can see here, x is currently as a program defined at 1, which is saying 0 plus 0 plus 1, because the previous value of x plus 1 is the new value of x, which is 0. The previous value of y, which is 1, subtract 1, is the new value of y, which is 0, correct? The value of a is the previous value of a, which is 2, multiplied by 2, which is 4. So the new value of a is 4, And b, the previous value of b is 3. Dividing it by 3 makes the new value of b equal to 1, as you can see here. However, let me demonstrate by showing you if you were to give a float number to an integer type data, what our result would be. If I run it now, it's saying b is equal to 1. However, 3 divided by 2 does not equal 1, it equals 1.5, or 3 halves. However, since the data type is an integer, that's why it rounds to the nearest integer. I think it rounds down to the nearest integer. Therefore, b is equivalent to 1. However, if I change the data type b to equal a double, now this is the importance of doubles in programming. If we change the value of b to a double instead of an integer type, and if I boot the program now, it shows that b is equal to 1.5, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. And since it's not an integer, it does not round, and it shows a decimal value as well. And that's how you do mathematical operations with integers and doubles.